Alright guys, and we're back with an update video to the shop. So extremely excited. We have finished the electrical and plumbing. And I apologize for the noise. They're upstairs moving the water heater. So it was kind of unexpected, but they're here right now and it's a massive water heater. It's like 150 gallons are moving it and there's like 6 guys, so I apologize. But anyways.
It's entertaining at least.
It's entertaining, yeah. So as you can see in the roof, we have these twists for the electrical. So this is where the pot lights are going to be. So we have a few pot lights in here that are going to be situated in the offices, in Derek's office. And then as we come over here, because we showed you here before, it was just framed. Now we have this is all drywall, and it's slowly come together now.
It just looks so much more finished already.
Oh, it's so good.
Yeah.
Seeing it come together is just the best thing.
Oh, man. It's awesome.
I've never done anything like this, so it's so cool.
I'm dying to see it all like painted and everything.
Yeah. As we go into the washroom roughing for the plumbing is done. So in here, pretty straightforward. We have the shower in the corner, the toilet, and then the vanity. And then we jackhammered this out. They redid all the plumbing. And yeah, it looks really good. And shower works the best thing.
Yeah.
This is the best thing.
100%.
So now coming in here, a little bit of a change from the last video, not much. We have the drywall in front of Derek's office and a little bit of the drywall on the wall behind Derek. There hasn't been any more drywall up yet because electrical has to get inspected.
Yeah.
And once it's approved, it's all going down. So this is why I wanted to come today, because it's been inspected, we're ready to go. So starting early next week, everything's getting drywalled, mudded and taped, and then they'll be almost done in here. What I decided is to have the hot and cold taps in 2 sections in the shop. We have hot and cold taps from Derek's side and then at the back. And so my original plan was this will be more of the paint protection film installation up here, and then the cars will be prepped down there and they'll move up the line and then leave. That's what I have planned. So if it works, it works, and if things change, we finish nice and bright in here. Because what we have with these lights, we'll go to the back door as well, right?
Yeah.
I have 15 lights going here that are 1 foot wide by 4 feet long. And they're LEDs, it's about 60,000 lumens in here. I didn't realize how much 60,000 lumens was until I went to another friend's bay and he had 40,000. And I was like, oh, I'm crazy. I've gone too far. But you know what? It's better to have more light than less light. And they're on dimmers.
Yeah, the fact
you know what I mean?
Dimmers is gonna make it a lot more manageable as well.
We don't need max light.
No.
My eyes are a little crazy. Step back and we'll show you what this space looks like with the drywall. And this is before, from the beginning to where it's framed to where it is now. And I think this is like, seeing this is just like the vision come through.
It's so cool.
It's so cool. So cool. And I ordered a basketball hoop to go here. Off topic, but there's gonna be a basketball hoop there because we need a break sometimes.
Why not?
Yeah, why not? So the next big thing that's happening, and the last, I think, major thing that's happening in the shop is the trench. So we decided to not just have a normal sump, which most shops have, which is completely fine. We decided to do a trench because it's sloped in on each side. So the trench is 25 feet long, right down the middle. So we'll have about 3 cars on each side when we're working on them. We'll be able to wash and prep the cars with the water naturally draining, so we don't have to stand in puddles and everything, which is,
it's gonna be
over the years, we've learned that we have wet feet all the time. People don't realize this or notice it, but we are always soaked, like shins down.
There's nothing worse.
There's nothing worse. And sometimes we have to lay in it. And now that it's naturally sloped, we can give it a quick squeegee and then work on the ground.
Overlooked, I think.
Easily overlooked. And like, we're gonna be in here for, this is it. This is like, we're here, we're doing it. So this is,
for sure.
You guys, an update before the drywall and mudding taping's done, because hopefully the next video we will be painting. So it's exciting. We're coming close. The flooring, just because we're repouring some concrete and stuff, I think it has to dry for a couple weeks, the epoxy guy said.
Yeah.
So like, that might get done before Christmas or after Christmas, but from there, and yeah, that's it. So if you guys have any questions or information, you want to let me know anything, this is my first time, or our first time doing anything like this, my first time building anything. Like, I've never done this, so it's super exciting. If you guys have any input of what to do or what you recommend before anything gets finished, let me know. Or any questions you guys have. But yeah, I think that's it. So thanks.